Turns out we could soon see the suspect in the Delphi murders case go on trial in weeks, not months. Attorneys for Richard Allen just filed a motion for an early trial, which triggers the clock immediately. Our Chase Houle's in studio to explain how a court rule could cause the judge in the case to grant that motion. Chase?
Scott, that rule you're referring to requires a trial for a defendant held in jail on a pending charge to happen in 70 calendar days. So we could see Allen's trial be moved to May instead of October. Richard Allen has been in jail for more than 16 months, charged in the deaths of Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017. We took this new request to 13 News' legal analyst, Katie Jackson-Lindsay. She says the only exceptions that would allow a judge to set a trial date beyond those 70 days would be things like congestion of the court calendar, an emergency, the defendant's release from jail before the 70-day expiration date, or the defendant's actions, which those delays aren't likely, and according to Jackson-Lindsay, could benefit Allen.
They don't believe that the state has the evidence to convict Richard Allen. They do not believe that he is the perpetrator of this crime. And so you certainly don't want to give them additional time to build a case against him.
Jackson-Lindsay says she thinks Judge Francis Gohl will grant this motion.
It's a right. It's an absolute right under Indiana Criminal Rule 4 for a criminal defendant to request an early trial deadline. And once that deadline is requested, the court has an obligation to set a deadline within 70 days, or set a deadline the 70th day from the date of filing. That means the trial has to be held before that day. It's not a discretionary decision. It's required.
Now, this new motion would require Judge Gohl to set the trial start date no later than May 15th. A hearing date to consider several key issues has been set for March 18th.